and deficit. The definition of debt is the total amount owed or the amount borrowed from one party and owed to another party. Let's look at the U.S. federal government ongoing debt. This is the national U.S. government debt as of September 2nd, 2016. We're going to look at this number right here, 7. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Every 25 seconds, the U.S. federal government overspends what it brings in by $1 million every 25 seconds. Again, this is what it overspends. This isn't what it spends. This is what it overspends. The term deficit means when spending is greater than revenue in a year, or when government spending is greater than tax revenue in a year. We say the deficit is when G is greater than T in a year. So let's look at the taxes. Most of the taxes come from both individual income taxes and social insurance and retirement, which is Social Security tax. So you could see that most of the taxation comes from Social Security tax or FICA tax and income tax. You have corporate taxes here, excise taxes, which are an added tax. You have estate tax, you have custom duties, which includes tariffs and so forth. Government spending in 2004 was $2.2 trillion, but the revenue brought in was less than that, so the government ran a deficit of $311.2 billion in 2004. Now, don't forget, the deficit then adds on to the debt. By 2010, the expenditures have gone up to $3.4 trillion, and the tax revenue was only $2.1 trillion, and so in 2010 ran a deficit of $1.2 trillion. And don't forget, that then is added on to the debt.